Main unit of filter. User's manual and housing range. PPM CTO installation. Unscrew the filter housing. Remove the plastic film and put it into the housings. Tighten the hose in with wrench. Install inlet valve. Remove the filter screen of kitchen faucet. Connect the inlet valve and tighten it with pliers. Switch the valve and tap water enters the filter system. Installation completed. Some kitchen faucets have external threads. The following is the corresponding installation method. After 15 minutes of flushing. After flushing, users can use it and enjoy clean drinking water.